This section of the DevTest Product Expert training will cover understanding the test template tree and test template folders. Specifically, we'll take a look at the template view and look at what UI makes up the template view, the template tree, how test templates are organized in your test library, default value templates, and finally other template folder properties. This is the DevTest template view. The template view contains the DevTest template tree, a list of items that are contained in the highlighted folder, and then the details of each test item that you may have. The template tree can be organized based on functional area, product, or in any other way that is meaningful to your organization. The template tree can be shared across different teams that may be using different work projects, so it might be wise to organize it in a way that would be beneficial to all teams that are using the same template-based project. In this section, we'll specifically cover the folder tree and some of the properties that can be configured for each of the folders in the tree. New folders in the template tree can be created by selecting a parent folder, right mouse clicking, and selecting the Insert Folder selection. To find a name for a folder, and clicking Submit. Each folder can have a number of properties that can be available during editing too. By selecting the properties, I'll then be able to configure some of the items at the folder level. For example, on the folder description page, I can not only name the folder, provide a description, and determine whether a folder is active, inactive, or archived. I can also define default values for all of the items that are contained within a folder. By selecting a default value template, it allows me to decide which default values should be present on each test template when I create them in that folder. I can also click on the Environment Variable tab to determine which environments a particular test template should be applicable for. This can be done at the folder level, like I'm doing here, and it can also be done at the template level. There'll be a separate video covering environment variables coming up. Next, I can take a look at a time report that'll show me for everything within a particular folder how much time it should take to run all those items based on their estimated times provided at the template level. I'm also able to use the folder order tab to change the order of particular folders in the tree, and the template order to change the order of templates within a particular folder. The Notes tab allows me to add new attachments and links to a particular folder. Applicable Project folder allows me to determine which work projects can assign out tests from this folder. And finally, we have a change log that will show me what changes have been made to a particular folder. Now, for the sake of this training video, I have all of these properties turned on, but DevTest allows you to pick which properties you want to have available at the folder level also. Finally, within the folder tree, you also have some operations that can be performed on a particular folder. I can copy a folder or move a folder to another location if I wish, and I can also look at archived folders or show all descendants, which will allow me to see all of the templates within both the folder I'm selecting as well as child folders below.